Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived 10 adventurous kids: Mia, Leo, Ava, Noah, Zoe, Ethan, Lily, Oliver, Emma, and Lucas. Every day they gathered at the village square, eagerly seeking a new adventure. One sunny morning, an old map mysteriously appeared at their favorite meeting spot. The map led to an enchanted garden hidden deep within the magical forest. Excitement filled the air as the children decided to embark on a quest to discover the secrets of the mystical garden. As they ventured into the heart of the forest, each child showcased a unique skill. Mia, the clever one, deciphered the riddles on the map. Leo, the brave, led the way through the dense woods. Ava, with her keen senses, spotted hidden creatures along the path. Noah, the kind-hearted, helped injured animals they encountered, while Zoe, the nature lover, identified rare plants. Ethan, the inventive, used his gadgets to solve obstacles, and Lily, the nimble, danced gracefully around obstacles. Oliver, the storyteller, entertained the group with tales of magical creatures. As they reached the enchanted garden, a magical gate appeared. The gate revealed that the garden was protected by the spirits of nature. To enter, the children had to prove their friendship by working together to solve a series of challenges. The first challenge tested their unity. The children intertwined their hands and formed a circle of trust, unlocking the gate with their teamwork. Inside the garden, they discovered a dazzling array of flowers that sparkled in the moonlight. The second challenge was a puzzle, requiring each child to use their unique skills to arrange enchanted stones. Emma's artistic eye and Lucas's strategic mind proved crucial, and the gate swung open again. Deep into the garden, they found a magical fountain with water that could grant one wish to each child. However, the spirits reminded them that their wishes should bring joy not only to themselves, but to the whole village. In a heartwarming moment, the kids selflessly wished for a vibrant community garden where everyone could gather and share their talents. The spirits, pleased with their generosity, bestowed the garden with everlasting beauty and harmony. As the children returned to the village square, they realized that the real magic was not in the enchanted garden, but in the bonds they formed and the positive impact they could create together. The village, now adorned with a beautiful community garden, flourished with joy and unity. And so, the 10 friends continued to have countless adventures, their hearts forever connected by the magical journey to the enchanted garden.